Ever seen a goat standing on a cliff or even a damn wall and thought, how on earth is that possible? Goats are built for climbing. Their hooves have a hard outer rim for gripping tiny edges and a soft, rubbery center that acts like a suction pad. This combo gives them insane traction even on steep rock faces. But here's the twist. It's not just about escaping predators. Goats climb near vertical mountains and even dams to lick salt and minerals off the rocks. Their bodies crave those nutrients, and no height is too dangerous if it means getting them. Their strong legs, balance, and low center of gravity make the impossible climb possible. So goats aren't defying gravity. They're salt-seeking mountaineers, perfectly adapted to thrive where most animals wouldn't dare. If you love scaling salty science secrets, step up and subscribe. Let's keep climbing into nature's wildest wonders together.